Hello guys, my name is Ansat and welcome to our second video. If you haven't seen our first video, go into our channel and see the sandwich video.
Hi guys, my name is Raima and today we have come with another exciting video.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video.
So what we are going to cook today?
Shark.
Shark?
All is well, is only a piece of meat. So guys, look at this big piece of shark. It's all boneless and big.
First we are going to cut this beautiful piece into pieces. Look guys, this is so beautiful and clean.
I'm going to cut it further into small pieces. Look at this, it's so white and clean.
And beautiful.
Now we have cut it into pieces and now we have to marinate in a clean bowl. Now and we have to take some basic spices.
Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon red chili, 2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon jeera powder. Now take a clean bowl and put the spices in it. Spread it on the fish. Take 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and 4 tablespoon lemon juice. Now we are going to mix it.
Mixing is my favorite job.
Now we are going to take Friends, are you enjoying? Yes, we are enjoying. Ready now, cover it for 30 minutes or overnight.
Now we are going to keep it at the side and we clean the shell. It's clean.
See you later. Hi. After 30 minutes we are back. The fish has marinated well. Look at this.
Come to the next step. We need 1 cup gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 egg.
And 2 tablespoon coriander, 1 chili and 1 pinch salt. Now we are going to add it. Now we are adding water.
Mix it well so no lumps remain.
Now our batter is ready. Look at this.
Our batter is ready. Now we are going to pour some oil and warm it. Give it power. Put it in low flame. Now we are going to take the fish, put it in the batter. Now put it in the hot oil.
Now it's hot.
Be careful, be careful. I'm going to flip the fish, but we will be very careful.
In this hot oil.
It has become golden brown. Now we are going to serve it.
Now it's my turn. It smells so well and it looks delicious.
Yes, it is looking so good and it smells delicious too.
We are going to serve it to Daddy.
Okay, let's taste it. Which piece I'm going to choose it? Okay, this one. Its fragrance is quite fascinating. Wow, great
Yes.
job, both of you. Well done. Now you can taste it. It's not good. Come on, it's good. Nice. Can you tell me the benefit of the fish?
Yes, it's very beneficial for our health and it's contains
It's omega-3.
Very good. And what about the second benefit? Will you share with me? I think it's too yummy. You can't resist it.
Yes.
Keep going, keep going. You can't eat it alone. We are also here to eat it. Very good. Yeah, quite yummy.
Yum, so yum.
I really like it.
खाओ सुकून से खाना.
Bye.
Bye.